Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to send a sticker on WhatsApp. Stickers are a fun way to add a personal touch to your messages and make your conversations more lively. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Launching the app is the first step towards enhancing your chats with expressive stickers. Next, open the chat where you want to send a sticker. Choosing the right conversation ensures that your sticker fits perfectly into the context of your message. Now, locate the smiley face icon at the bottom left corner of the chat interface. Tapping on this icon will reveal a variety of emoticons and stickers for you to choose from. After tapping the smiley face, look for the sticker icon next to the avatar icon. Selecting this icon will open up a collection of colorful and playful stickers to select from. Choose a sticker that resonates with your message and tap on it to select. Each sticker adds a fun and expressive element to your conversation, making it more engaging. To send the chosen sticker, tap the send arrow icon. This action will instantly share the sticker with your chat partner, bringing a touch of creativity to your conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily send stickers on WhatsApp and make your chats more vibrant and enjoyable. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you have fun using stickers to enhance your WhatsApp conversations. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your messaging experience.